Welcome back, everybody, to day 19 for this video challenge here in the month of July. Just had to stop and get some fuel and kind of talk to you about some dream motorcycle rides. So if you guys have some dream motorcycle ride destination, let me know down in the comments where that may be, and let's get a little conversation going. My apologies if I sound a little congested. I think I'm coming down with something, so I might sound a little goofy to you guys. But I got a few destinations in mind on where I want to go that I've found since I've been vlogging or riding my motorcycle. So starting off with my number one thing, would probably have to be the iconic Route 66. I think that's a route that I would really want to go on just because it's pretty historical and stuff that I've seen from other creators. There's a lot of stuff to see going on that road. Being from Michigan, I would start in Illinois and then work my way out to California. That would be a trip that I would really have to plan for and set some PTO aside from work, and I wouldn't be able to take any time off in between because I would really want to enjoy that one. I mean, I enjoy all my trips that I go on, but that one specifically. I also would like to go to Zion National Park in Utah. I got someone at work, he said, it's really worth going out there and checking that out. And also another one of those destinations that I see online, people going to, posting videos. Like, it just looks incredible. I wanted to do that last year, along with another one that's on my list which is the $1 Million Highway in Colorado. I was planning on going out to do that one, both of those things, but I ran out of money. My back tire was getting pretty bald, and I didn't want to risk putting the extra miles on my bike after I was leaving the Tetons to go and do Zion, the $1 Million Highway, and then all the way back to Michigan. So I just decided to play it safe and leave it at that. It's like every stop I was checking that back tire just to make sure. I think I went through 2 back tires last year. That's just the amount of riding that I was doing, when I signed up for that Let's Ride challenge. And I hope this audio isn't poppy. I'm pretty sure it's going to be. I had ordered my new mic setup that should be here today, so I can't wait to get that on there and test it out. Hopefully everything sounds good. Hopefully I get the right settings dialed in and good to go. Another one of those really cool scenic roads that I want to go is Going to the Sun in Glacier National Park. I really wish I would have had the time and the money to do all that stuff when I was out there last September, but fortunately that wasn't the outcome, because I figured I'm already out this way. Why not try and do as much of this stuff as I can. Also worried because a buddy from work, he was saying, you got to hit it at the right time of the year because it could still be covered with snow, and that's also a risk I didn't want to take, going through the snowy weather. But someday I will get up there to Going to the Sun Road in Glacier National Park. And my final thing on this list would be Beartooth Pass. I'm trying to get through this stuff, not trying to rush it too much, but I got my batteries almost dead on my GoPro. I didn't swap it out because I figured I'd have enough time to get this video recorded for y'all. Going up to Montana and the Red Lodge. I could have done that last year, Also on that ride to Wyoming, myself and a few others, we went and did the Chief Joseph Scenic Byway. That was incredible. We stopped at the bridge down at the bottom. I don't remember what the bridge was called. I'll have to look it up, and I'll throw some video of it. It was a really awesome bridge. We hung out there for a little bit, and we didn't want to get back late, so that's why we didn't go on that. But let me know down in the comments what your guys' dream rides would be, or even let's talk about where you've been. But I gotta cut this one short. I'm probably in the time frame of where I want to keep these videos, but it's pretty hot here today in Michigan, and I am sweating, and I need to open this visor up to get some airflow coming in. So I hope to see you guys on tomorrow's episode. You know, like I said, make sure you guys go hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys on tomorrow's episode. Peace.